First off, I'm just amazed by the amount of technology and innovation that goes into building these bridges. Another thing I noticed was when we were driving over, there were offshore windmills that provide green energy, which I think is also a very nice touch.
2026中美青少年未來氣候領袖粵港澳大灣區研修交流活動珠海站，代表團率先到訪港珠澳大橋。呢一座超大型跨海通道唔單止係工程奇蹟，更加係一堂生動嘅環保實踐課。從規劃、施工到運營，處處體現對中華白海豚棲息地嘅保護，以及周邊海上風電場嘅清潔能源報告。
So it was very cool to see how they were very on it about the environment with the dolphins and how endangered they were. So I think bringing students over from China and the US, making them work together on these programs, getting their perspectives differently, it also expands our choices that we can do different routes. So I really like these as well.
代表團其後走進企業透明工廠以及珠海太空中心，近距離觀摩綠色智能製造流程，並認識中國航天前沿技術。行程中，兩地青年唔單止討論科技議題，更加喺課餘交流中分享各自嘅生活同校園文化。
文化呀，在語言啊，在這個學習的這個過程中，也可以深入的了解對方，為了兩國搭建了一個新的橋梁和紐帶。